Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my Flosstube Stitchy update for December 16th, 2018. And it is Sunday today, and I hope everybody is doing well. It has been probably at least 3 weeks since I have been here. And the reason for that is that I have not been stitching on any of the projects that I have showed you. What I did was I found a small pattern for one of my sons. I know I had made that country music one for my youngest son, and I found a pattern for my older son that is smaller, and I knew that if I just took the time and worked only on his pattern that I would have it done by Christmas. So I have been monogamous, working on this secret stitch only. But I wanted to come on and I wanted to let you guys know why there wasn't any videos, because there had been no progress on any of the other whips that I'm working on. I've been working on the secret stitch. And I wanted to go ahead and share it because he does not watch my videos. He knows I make them. He's helped me get started with things on YouTube and things. So he knows, he's aware, but he's not interested to watch. So I'm going to show you the pattern. I got the pattern off Etsy, and the pattern, or the Etsy shop, is Sprite Stitches, and here is the name, Sprite Stitches. And she has really good prices on her cross stitch patterns, so please go check her out. Okay, here is the pattern really quickly. Okay, it is of a dragon. I believe it's a Chinese dragon, but that is kind of my son's thing. He's the one that liked the Ninja Turtles, and I made him that one. He also likes dragons of any kind, and he likes the Phoenix. So I've been trying to find one of those, so maybe I can do one of those for next year. But anyway, here is where I'm at on that so far. Here is the dragon. There's the feet. And then here's the head up here. And then the body comes around. And so I know I can get this filled in. And I might be able to do 1 or 2 of the rounds that's going around it. But I'm not going to pressure myself because I think it looks good like this as well. But I'm going to try to get at least 1 or 2 borders around. And this is being worked on the 16 count hand-dyed green Aida that I've had. This fabric has been amazing. It has gotten me through so many of my patterns, and I totally love it. So anyway, this is what I have been stitching on that has caused me to stop stitching on all my regular pieces, because I'm trying to get this done for Christmas. So what I plan to do is I plan to come back the Sunday before Christmas. I think it would be Christmas Eve. Whatever Sunday, yes, I think Monday's Christmas Day. I think, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm getting all confused. But anyway, yeah, the Sunday before Christmas, I will be back And I will show you this and show you what I was able to finish on it. So anyway, that is all for this time. I've been busy besides. It's getting busy around here again. We're getting into lambing season now. We are getting ready to start having babies again. So I'm doing that. My cousin and his wife showed up about 3-4 days ago. So now they're here for their Christmas with their family. And yeah, I got my tree put up behind me with my handmade ornaments on it. And I have a video out of the Christmas tree and all the handmade ornaments. So be watching for that as well. So anyway, thank you guys so much for your continued support. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking, and commenting. Please leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for coming back if you are a returning viewer. If you are new to my channel and have just found me, I hope that you enjoyed what you've seen and that you will subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell. That will notify you of, excuse me, of any videos that I do. So anyway, I hope that, you know, if you don't see my next video before Christmas, I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and or whatever it is that you celebrate. I hope it is joyful. I hope it is relaxing, and I hope that you spend it in the way that you want to spend it. So until my next video, take care.